It is Wednesday, and I am bored shitless. Been doing subtitles for my vids all day, and that takes forever. To take some of the edge off, I'm heading up to the mall. Fathom Events is doing a special restoration screening for the classic 2004 anime film Tokyo Godfathers, which I haven't seen yet, but now I will. Yeah, it's pretty warm out, hence why I'm wearing shorts. Inside the theater, they're showing a Digimon ad right now. Got these from the dollar store because theater food costs too fucking much. Fox Kids, early 2000s, good times. Fun fact, anime is super colorful. Much like this event I'm going to in a couple of days, which we shall skip to now. I'll give you a hint, it's gonna be groovy, baby. So it is just past 9 in the morning, and the coronavirus can honestly go eat a dick. I'm annoyed. Here, let me clear up y'all's fears really quickly. See, y'all got nothing to worry about. The flu is more dangerous than this shit. Oh, by the way, you want to know why all those people perished in China because of it? Because of authoritarian communism. That's why. Well, maybe with luck, in the 30-year anniversary of the Soviet Union's dissolution, maybe China's Communist Party will dissolve too. We'll just have to wait and see until next year. So right now I'm gonna get through my morning routine of coffee, breakfast, and tea, and then we're gonna get ready to embrace every single little color on the rainbow, baby. Without further ado, all you bohemians and shamans, time to suit up! That is right, we are headed to Woodstock. Oh wait, it's not 1969 anymore. I wish it was. Now we're going to a more laid-back version of it. Hippiefest. Yeah, I'm quite the eclectic counterculturer, huh? So originally I was going to go with a friend of this, but they ended up feeling kind of sick, and plus they had to work. So, taking an Uber, which won't cost as much as I originally thought. Alright, so we are currently out here waiting on my Uber. On a side note, my buddy Danny wasn't really interested in this. He thought it would underwhelm him. But we'll see who has the last laugh, eh, buddy? Peace and love, and pot. And here he is. Let us ride. Judging by the presence of these colored umbrellas and these flowers, well, I'd say we made it. Yeah, I'm gonna get rained on plenty. It's pretty damp, but whatever. Rice, this ground is muddy. But, I mean, honestly, did anyone ever give a shit about the mud at Woodstock? No, they had fun with it. I must say, this is one campy vlog. This is Lord Thorgorath with a PSA saying to legalize magic mushrooms. They make you trip and they cure depression. Just got in, and they didn't even need to scan the barcode. Well, let's check out this big inspiration from Mario's Rainbow Road, huh? Oh, hell yeah. Good thing I wore my shoes and not my sandals. I would have gotten trench foot, and it ain't even a war. Man, it is raining. You know, it may be cold and rainy, but I'm actually enjoying this. Because what's an adventure without the small detriments here and there? Flower-headed pretty girls everywhere. And VWs. Yeah, you know it's a hippie festival when there's harmonicas playing, and there's plenty of acoustic instruments. Smoke bubbles. Blue skies from pain. Can we sell the green field? Good God, this woman can make an anime background with that thing. Anybody knows something about that store's acronym? Yeah, just over an hour in. Having the time of my life out here. Not sure if you would. I have got to be careful not to slip in this mud, because that would be bad. Hello, Baphomet. Ah, look over there. Hippiefest has a swingers club. Of course, somebody would sing the Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid theme in this weather. Got me this kettle corn. Because, of course, we've been smoking too much weed. Of course, we'll get the munchies. 3 o'clock now. Got some sunshine coming through. It's definitely warming up. Getting a little better out here. My God, I love that guy's bubble net. Wish we had more festivals like this over where I live. I hear drums over there. Somebody playing Jumanji?
I hope you like this next song. It's one of the first rock songs ever written, actually. And it's specifically made for dancing, I believe. Alright, Johnny, you be good.
Ooh, okay. Can anyone say Back to the Future? Hell yeah. I love this woman.
Someday you will be a man. You will be the leader of a great big band. And if people coming from miles around, you hear your band music till the sun go down. I'll someday your name will be a night saying, Johnny be good. Everybody, I say go. No, little girl.
You know, me and Jim Morrison have the same first and middle name. God, look at my pants. Fucking hell, it is muddy here. Wish somebody had some play sand for this.
Always remember you just like a child. Seen a lot of what the world can do, and it's breaking my heart too.
Past 5:30 now. It's winding down a bit. So far, I have not spoken to anybody here or met anyone, though I have gotten a couple compliments. People just scare me. God, I just love the scale of this place. Alright, it is nearly 6 and an hour till the festival closes for the day. And you know what? I think I've had enough for one day. Let me take one good last look at that peace sign before heading out. Better try and get some of this mud off my shoes before I get in my Uber ride. Oh, God damn, this ground is muddy. Catch you later, Hippiefest. Secured an Uber driver, thankfully, because you can barely get a signal out here. It's kind of scary. I thought I was going to be stranded for a moment there. Just happy to be home at long last. Guess I had a pretty groovy time at my first Hippiefest. Just gazing at the sunset gives you that sense of fulfillment. And how else to end a day at a hippie festival than with something commonly found in a 60s hippie fest. Time to chill out with Mary Jane. All in all, that Uber trip to and from cost me like $65. So please, people, I need your donations. Become a patron. Donate to my GoFundMe. I want to help get this shit off the ground. Just as spiritually speaking, I want to help get you off the ground. But for now, it's been a pretty spectacular day. Have a good night, viewers.